Okay, so another problem with this radio. I'm sitting here watching Netflix. We have sound. The movie's playing, but it won't show a picture. You can see all the other options here, but then you hit that and you can see the movie. But then once it figures out what it's doing, you know, and buffers, then the movie won't play. I mean, you can hear the movie playing, everybody's talking, but you know, you don't have no picture. So that's one of your problems right there. The other problem is the DAB. So here's the antenna. The antenna's got power. And then we go over here to DAB. Where is it? DAB. Okay, there's no radio stations, and we do have HD radio scanning. So it's picking up a signal from the antenna and it's scanning for stations. No, nada. So, you know, please scan first. Already scanned. PTTY or PTY. Nothing. So please help. Thanks.